What's up, fellow YouTube people? So I'm gonna do a video of this thing. I think we're gonna try and sell it or trade it to somebody. I need to get a rolling chassis small tire car for that new LS we got. So I'm gonna get rid of this thing, even though it looks like it'll be fun, and I haven't taken it out and made a full hit with it yet, but whatever. So I'll do a walk around and kind of show you what it is, what I know about it, which is not very much. But do a quick walk around, put some video out that we made before, doing a test hit and a quick hit in the driveway. But I don't know, share it, make some comments with it about it, what you think. I mean, I don't know what they're really worth or what. I don't know shit about it. So I'll walk around and kind of show you what it is. It's got cut TSL Swampers 38s in the front, 4-wheel drive, coilovers. It's got 44-inch boggers in the back cut. They're like a, I don't know, 3-piece wheel, 4-piece wheel. It's got a chain drive for the transfer case for the front end. I think it's a turbo 350. It's got a 496 alcohol motor, Brodex heads, nitrous. Runs all right. I'm sure it could probably use some tuning. I don't know. It's got, what else? Oh, it's all mechanical injection. Two fuel cells, one for the nitrous, one for the main methanol tank. I don't know, we'll just kind of do a walk around and check it out. Nitrous bottle back here. There's still some nitrous in it. That's, you know, another 20 bucks on top of the sale. Coilovers in the rear. Fire extinguisher right between your legs, you know, just in case that oh shit moment happens. It's a MSD 7 box. It's got RPM module selector. What else? Yeah, man, I don't know a whole lot about it, but I don't know, check it out. If you know anybody, share it with them, see if they're interested in trading, let a guy know, because we're gonna be getting rid of it, either selling it or trading it. We'll do it without the motor or with the motor, it just depends. So let me know. Thanks.